In previous lecture, we have seen the types of stability of system, that is stable system, unstable system, critically stable system, conditionally stable system. But when we get the block diagram of control system, or when we get the characteristic equation of control system, from that control system, how we can find that whether the system is stable or not. So for that purpose, the Routh stability criteria was invented. What is that Routh stability criteria? We'll see that. Routh stability criteria. So if one characteristic equation is given, and if n is the maximum power of that characteristic equations S domain, then the coefficients are written like this. All odds are written in the second line. All even coefficients are written in the first line. From that, this B1 is calculated, B2 is calculated, B3 is calculated, B4 is calculated. But how this B1 is calculated, B2 is calculated, we'll see. There is one formula. So these are the given values. A are the given values. From A, you have to find out B. Then from this second line and third line, you will find C1, C2, C3, C4. Likewise, D1, D2, D3, D4. How we can find it? We'll see. Likewise, you can find Y1, Y2, and AN. So when all the signs of this first column are same in this array, when all the signs are same, means if this is plus, A0 is plus, then when all the numbers in column 1 are positive, then we can say that this control system is stable. If any sign change is there, then we can say that the system is unstable. And how much unstable? We'll see in the numericals. But how to find this B1, C1, D1, likewise? So the formula for this is B1, how you can calculate? This A1 is multiplied with A2, like this, minus this A0 is multiplied with A3. In simple, you can say cross multiplication. In simple way, cross multiplication. Divide by A1. Divide by this A1. How you can calculate B2? The formula is similarly. This A1 is multiplied with A2. आपल्याला हे काढायचं आहे, बरोबर? So this A1 is multiplied with A4. A0 is multiplied with A5. A1 is multiplied with A4 minus A0 multiplied with A5 divided by A1 again. Similarly, you can calculate B3. How you can calculate B3? So cross multiplication like this. A1 multiplied with A6 minus A0 multiplied with A7 divided by A1 again. Similarly, you can calculate B4, B5. Now, you can calculate C1 also. आता C1 कसं होणार? बघा, B1 multiplied with A3, A1 multiplied with B2. म्हणजे जे अप्पर दोन रोज आहे, ते दोन रोज मल्टिप्लिकेशन करायचं क्रॉस वाईज. मग C1 कसं कॅल्क्युलेट होणार? B1 into A3 minus A1 into B2 divided by B1. Simple. Similarly, C2. You can calculate C2 by multiplying B1 into A5. B1 into 5. हा कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं ना, हे मल्टिप्लिकेशन करायचं क्रॉस मायनस A1 into B3 divided by B1. Similarly, you can calculate C3, C4, C5 and so on. Likewise, you can calculate this. You can calculate this column 1. When all the signs of this column 1 are same, then you can say that the system is stable. Is it clear how you can find these array numbers? Is it clear? समजले का? हे कॅल्क्युलेट कसं करणार आपण? B1, B2, C1, C2, D1, D2 असं प्रत्येक आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करणार. ज्यावेळेस न्यूमेरिकल तुम्ही शिकाल त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला समजेल की काय ऍक्च्युली कशा पद्धतीने कॅल्क्युलेशन होतात. समजतंय का? इथपर्यंत समजलंय?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll see the first example. For a control system, the numerical is for a control system. Characteristic equation is given by s raised to 4. बघा ही इक्वेशन त्यांनी दिली s raised to 4 6s cube plus 26s square plus 56s plus 80 is equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation they have given. So you have to determine whether the system is stable or not. So how we can determine? See here, first of all, we have to find A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7 of this equation. The equation to show that. So how we can find? So the maximum power is s raised to 4. So the coefficient associated with it is A0. Here, coefficient will be A1, coefficient will be A2, A3, A4. See, for this 80, the S term is not associated. So A4 will be last. A4 will be last. जर इथे एखादा टर्म S असता तर पुढे जर दिलेला नसता तर तुम्ही A5 घेतला असता पण तो 0 घेतला असता. सो आपण बघा नेमिंग कसं केलंय? मॅक्सिमम पॉवर कोएफिशिएंट S raised to 4 ही मॅक्सिमम पॉवर आहे 4. So the coefficient for S raised to 4 will be A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. जर याच्यामध्ये एखादी टर्म मिसिंग असती मीन्स S raised to 4 नंतर डायरेक्ट S स्क्वेअर आला असतं तर इथे 0s क्यूब तुम्हाला टाकावं लागलं असतं जेणेकरून तो कोएफिशिएंट तुम्हाला लिहिता येईल. सो S raised to 4, S raised to 3, S raised to 2, S raised to 0, A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. So draw the Routh's table or Routh's array where S raised to 4 is maximum power. इथे वरती S raised to n होतं बरोबर, पण आता इथे n ची व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला 4 आहे असं माहिती आहे. सो आपण वरती काय लिहितो? सर्व इव्हन टर्म्स म्हणजे A0 किती आहे 1, देन A2 लिहिणार, A2 किती आहे 26, A4 लिहिणार किती 80, पुढे A6 नाहीये, सो वी कॅनॉट राईट इट. देन S3, S3 म्हणजे सर्व ऑड नंबर्स, म्हणजे A1 किती आहे 6, A3 किती आहे 56, A5 not given, so write 0 over here. Okay, so see how you can find B1 कसा फाइंड करतो आपण, 6 into 26 minus 1 into 56, 6 into 26 minus 1 into 56 divided by 6. So here you will get the answer as 50/3. So you can write over here S square as here B1 च्या जागी आपण काय कॅल्क्युलेट केलंय 50/3. सिम्प्लिफाय तुम्ही नंतर करू शकता. Now how you can calculate B2? So B2 you can calculate as 6 into 80. Correct? 6 into 80 minus 1 into 0. 1 into 0 is always 0. Divided by 6. So this is 0. 6 divided by 6, you will get 80 answer. So here you will get 80. You can find S raised to 1 now, means you have to find C1. So you can find C1. You can find C1 by multiplying 50/3 into 56 minus 6 into 80. So how you can find it? 50/3 into 56 minus 6 into 80 divided by 50/3. So finally you will get, after multiplication you will get 27.21. 27.21. Then for finding this value, what you will get? 50 into 3, 50/3 into 0, 0. 6 into 0, 0. So what you will get? You will get 0 over here. Then S raised to 0. So you have to find D1. How you can find 27.21 into 80? Cross multiplication. 27.21 into 80 minus 50/3 into 0, you will get 0, divided by 27.21. So this and this is cancelled. So finally you will get 80. 80. So in this way you can find all the terms. बघा, ही फाइंड करायची आहे, क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय दिस. ही फाइंड करायची आहे, क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय दिस. ही फाइंड करायची आहे, क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय दिस. सो S raised to 0 येईपर्यंत आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेशन करायची. इफ यू ऑब्झर्व दिस कॉलम 1, बघा या 1 ला साइन आहे पॉझिटिव्ह, 6 ला साइन आहे पॉझिटिव्ह, 50/3 ला साइन आहे पॉझिटिव्ह, so all the signs of this column 1 are positive. So you can say that system is stable. काही डाऊट आहे याच्यात? सिस्टीम स्टेबल काय? समजलंय का? D1 कसं काढला, B2 कसं काढला, C1 D1.
हो सर.
We'll see numerical number 2. Second numerical. Characteristics of control system. Characteristic equation of control system is given by s raised to 6, 2s raised to 5, 8s raised to 4 plus 12s cube plus 20s square plus 16s plus 16 equal to 0. So this is the characteristic equation. So maximum power is s raised to 6. So A0 is this, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. असं जर जमलं तरच तुम्हाला पुढचं न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करता येईल. बाकीचे साय घेऊन येतो. S raised to 4, S raised to 6. Here the maximum power will be S raised to 6. So all the even terms in first line. आता A0 किती आहे? 1, A2 किती आहे? 8, A4 आहे 20 आणि A6 आहे 16. सगळ्या even coefficients म्हणजे A0, A2, A4, A6. S raised to 5, A1 सगळे odd terms. A1 आहे 2, A3 आहे 12, A5 आहे 16, A7 दिलेलं नाही, so you can write 0 over. Then S raised to 4, S raised to 4 you can write. So calculate P1. P1 is 2 into 8, 2 into 8 minus 1 into 12 divided by 2. So here you will get 8 into 2, 16. 16 minus 12 divided by 2. So you will get 2 over here. Then P1, sorry P2. 2 into 20 means 40 minus 16 divided by 2. So you will get 12 over here. Then P3. 2 into 16. 2 into 16, 32. 32 minus 0 upon 2. So we will get 16. So we will get 2, 12, 16. Then when you find S cube, what you will get? Find C1. C1 is 2 into 12 minus 2 into 12. So obviously you will get 0 over here. Then 2 into 16, 2 into 16 minus scalar. Then you get 0 over here. So this S3, you will get 0 S cube, this line you are getting as 0. C1 0, C2 also 0. So you cannot find this S square now. You cannot find. So what you'll do, you have to take the equation A of S. You have to take this equation A of S. ही A of S कशी काढणार? So 2 into S raised to 4. 2 into S raised to 4 plus बघा हा S raised to 4 होता, याला 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय केला. बरोबर? जर तुम्ही नीट ऑब्झर्व केलं तर इथे आपण A0 टाकतोय, A2 टाकतोय, A4 टाकतोय, म्हणजे प्रत्येकाच्या पॉवर मध्ये कितीचा डिफरन्स आहे? 6 आणि 4 म्हणजे 2 चा डिफरन्स. सो हियर विल गेट 12 S raised to 2. 4 मधून 2 ची पॉवर कमी झाली, सो यू गेट हियर 12 raised to 2 plus 16 and take the derivative of A of S with respect to, so you will get here 8S cube plus 24S plus 0. So you can write new S cube over here. You will get 8, 24, 0. So this is a special condition in Routh array. When the total line becomes 0, लेक्चर घेऊ तुला सांगत बस. 8, 24, 0. So now perform this calculation. 8 into 12. So D1 is equal to 8 into 12 minus 2 into 24 divided by 8. So 96 minus 48 divided by 8. So here you get 6. Here you get 16. S raised to 1. E1 is 6 into 24 minus 8 into 16 divided by 6. So here you get, let me calculate it. So after calculation, here you will get 2.66. Here it is 2.66. 0 as it is. S tends to 0. Here you get 60. So if you see this, the column 1 is positive throughout. Column 1 is positive throughout. So you can say the system is stable. Check the numerical and ask me if any doubt. काय फाइंड करायचं, कसं फाइंड करायचं, काही डाऊट असेल तर विचारा. काही डाऊट आहे का बघा रे न्यूमेरिकल मध्ये? असेल तर विचारा पटकन.